Good morning. It's January the 22nd, maybe the 23rd. I don't know. Anyways, looks like we're finally going to be doing it. Our plan is to move off grid. We've been toying with the idea for quite a while. Give you a little bit of history. We did have a property off grid for probably a year. We had 100 acres. Our driveway was over a mile long in the middle of the bush. We had waterfalls out our back door. Beautiful property. But with work, 4 boys, 10 grandkids, we kind of thought we'd move back to the city. And so now I'm getting a bit older, and work seems like it's quite a bit slower than what it used to be. So we're thinking now's the time to do it. My name's Jim, and thanks for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. Down there in the bottom corner, you see that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get some updates on what we're doing. But basically, today's project is to empty out the mini storage unit, load up the truck and trailer, take it up north to our off-grid home. It was supposed to be our summer retreat. We were planning on spending our summers up there and then staying in the city in the winter. But we've done quite a bit of work to it, and it was a vacant property, 27 acres on a lake. And as time went on and I started loving the property even more, and the area and the people in the area, it's a slower lifestyle. I think it's a healthier lifestyle. So we've decided that because work is slow and I'm getting older, maybe we should consider moving off grid and staying off grid this time. In the city, it's noisy. You got cars, you got traffic lights, you got people, you got in the background, I got some trains. And up there in the middle of the wilderness, you've got birds, geese, that sort of stuff, rabbits, and privacy. I love people, but I also love nature, walking through the bush. So the plan is that our summer retreat is going to be our permanent residence down the road. It's probably going to be a while yet. Maybe the fall. It is still spring. Well, it's not even spring yet. It's only January. But I've got a lot more work to do. We just had an addition put on. It's 14 by 30, so that has to be all plumbed, wired, insulated, drywalled. It's going to be a kitchen and a bedroom, as I've mentioned in previous videos. So we've still got to put cupboards in, and it's got a lot of work to do. So I'll be heading up there for probably 2 or 3 weeks, waiting for a call from work, and just doing some stuff up there, getting her fixed up, getting her ready for the transition in the fall. Hopefully if everything works out that way. We sold our home in the city, and we've moved into an apartment. And basically right now I'm only here probably half the time because I'm up north working on the property, getting it ready for the fall. So that's basically it. That's what our plan is, and subscribe to my channel, and you can follow some updates, what we're doing. Like I say, I've got to deal with quite a few little projects up there right now. We've got the hydro figured out, we got the solar figured out, we've got the water situation mostly figured out. Yeah, taxes are cheaper. It's an unorganized township, so taxes are cheaper. We don't have to deal with hydro because of the solar panels. Yeah, it's just going to be a different lifestyle. It's going to be, I think, a cheaper living lifestyle. And yeah, that's what we're planning on doing. So I hope you'll follow my channel and watch for updates, and hopefully I can share some stuff that'll benefit you. Anyways, you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye now.